Right now, the most important aspect of conserving nature is soil. If soil degradation does not stop, planet will not be conducive for human beings to live upon. We need to understand this. Though the problem presents itself in many ways, the most significant things that are happening is that the biodiversity is depleting, the species are vanishing. To what extent means, nearly 1 million species of plant, animal, insect species are on the extinction list. That means within the next 10 to 15 years, they may not be there. 1 million species. For all this, the basis is soil. If the soil is rich in its organic content, planet's ability to put back life is intact. But soil degradation is happening at such a scale that today, out of 51 million square kilometers of land that we are using for agriculture, 40 million is being used for raising animals and their food, that is feed for the animals. If you choose at least partially vegetarian diets which will bring down meat consumption by 50%, 20 million square kilometers of land would be free to move into tree cultivation. Tree cultivation need not be just plain trees, we can generate food from this. This is important that we plan on this planet at least 30% of our food should come from the trees. We must put at least 35 to 40% of the land mass under tree cover. If we don't do this in the next 25 years' time, well, the soil degradation and desertification process of the planet is moving so rapidly that every day, what is being lost in terms of desertification is too much. And if we do not prevent that, life on this planet for human beings is going to become very difficult. We must understand, as many species disappear, as the biodiversity of the land goes away, human beings will suffer immensely and sustaining our life on this planet will become difficult. This is a good time for us to take this stand. The governments in the world, every nation should take this as a policy that soil degradation or prevention of soil degradation is the most important aspect of ecological regeneration. This is something that we need to work at. Kaveri Calling is a pioneering effort in this direction. Making this a success is not just about Kaveri and southern India, this is significant for the entire world, particularly for the tropical world. We wish that all the forces in the world which are concerned about ecological regeneration will get together to make this into a success. The governments, the agencies, the United Nations agencies and variety of other non-government organizations, everybody needs to come together. Above all, every citizen in the world has to come together to make these things successful, because this will determine whether we are a responsible generation or not. We should not live here like we are the last generation, because according to all statistics, it shows we have topsoil only for another 60 years of life on this planet. So we are living like we are the last generation. Let us turn this around. It is very much possible to turn this around.